Hey YouTube, this is Detroit Borg with a demo of Google's CloudPrint on iOS devices. CloudPrint is somewhat similar to Apple's AirPrint, although they work very differently. AirPrint only works within your local Wi-Fi network and sends print jobs directly to your printer. With CloudPrint, print jobs are funneled through Google servers, so you can print from anywhere, not just within your local area network. In the end, AirPrint and CloudPrint are solutions that get around the need to handle drivers on your mobile devices in order to use a printer. CloudPrint is not a service integrated into your OS like AirPrint. It's a web service that works through a browser, like Safari, on iOS 3.0 and above. Currently, only Google web apps like Gmail and Google Docs can make use of this feature. There are no printers that support cloud-aware printing at the moment, not even network printers. This is analogous to AirPrint, which there are only a handful of printers which currently support this service. Google is working with manufacturers to develop printer and firmware upgrades that enable printers to connect to CloudPrint. But until those solutions are available, CloudPrint can work with any legacy printer connected to a computer. Currently, this service is only available to Windows users, but a solution for Mac and Linux are in the works. In this case, I'm virtualizing Windows 7 on my iMac using VMware Fusion. And since this is Google, you will need to install and launch the latest version of Google Chrome in order to activate the service. And under Google Chrome, we want to go to the wrench icon in the upper right corner, go to Options, go to Under the Hood. You can see there are tabs here. You want the last one, Under the Hood. Scroll all the way down to Sign into Google CloudPrint. And we're going to sign in using our Google account, and we're all set. So we can print a test page, so let's go ahead and do that. And basically it opens a new tab, so I can select Print a Test Page. And here you can see that the Google CloudPrint service sees my printers on this computer. So basically it's reading the drivers already installed on this computer and is able to print to those printers using those drivers. So in this case, I want the PhotoSmart 3300. That's the one I use all the time. So let's select that. And I do have some options. So I can select Portrait, Rotated, Landscape, etc. I can Duplex. I can choose Color, Black and White, etc., etc. So let's go ahead and click Print. So there you go. But that's just using CloudPrint in a web browser. But what I really want to show you is CloudPrint on an iOS device. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. It's important to note, in order for this process to work, you will need to have the Windows machine running at all times in order to serve the print jobs to the printer. And the printer can be connected to that computer either through your network or through a USB cable. To use this feature, you will need to launch one of Google's web apps, such as Gmail. From an open email message, select Print from the drop-down. You will then be prompted to select one of your printers. From here, you have several basic options, such as duplexing, color, orientation, etc. Select Print, and at the top you'll see your print status. This also works with Google Docs. Simply launch your document and select Print from the drop-down option. The experience on the iPad is nearly identical. Of course, this feature will also work with Android devices and will be the only way you can print on Chrome OS computers. So there we have it, guys. That's an early look at the future of mobile and driverless printing from Google. This is Detroit Borg. Thanks for watching.